Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by shutting the Ps4 down completely and booting into safe mode. Hold power until the second beep. Once done, connect a controller with USB and attach a formatted USB drive for backups. You need to know your PSN and local user so you can sign in if required. Make sure the system has stable power and no external devices except the backup USB. This prevents further writes and lets you run diagnostic options safely before changing or rebuilding storage. You now choose safe mode options to pinpoint the issue. Start with check database to repair minor file system errors. If that does not restore access, run rebuild database. It reorganizes content and often fixes indexing problems without deleting saves. Meanwhile, power down and reseat the internal HDD or SSD. Loosen screws, swap cables, and ensure the drive mounts firmly. If using an external adapter, test another cable or port. These steps tackle both software indexing and physical connection faults. If rebuilding fails, reinstall the Ps4 system software. Download the full PUP on a FAT32/X FAT USB using the correct folder path, then choose Safe Mode Reinstall option. This replaces corrupted firmware that can block storage access. Once installed, restore your backup saves and test read/write operations. If the drive remains unrecognized, remove it and test in a PC or external enclosure. If the drive fails outside the Ps4, replace it. If uncertain,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.